What if I told you the most powerful weapon in the world isn't a missile or a bomb? It's something you use every single day, every click, every face, every step you take. What if all of it was being watched? China has built systems so advanced, they don't just observe people anymore. They predict them. They know what you might do next, before you even do it. From what you buy, to where you go, to who you meet. This isn't science fiction. This is happening, right now. And the scariest part? You don't even know. You're part of it. Number 5. What if I told you money itself could be used to control you? Not your bank. Not your job. Your money. China is building a system where every transaction you make is tracked in real time. Not just tracked, controlled. Imagine this. Your money can expire if you don't spend it. Or worse, it can be blocked. With one click. No cash. No privacy.
No escape.
This isn't just digital currency. It's programmable money. A system where your spending can be limited, your access denied, and your entire life can be switched off instantly. And the scariest part? This system already exists. Number 4. What if I told you the deadliest army in the future won't be made of soldiers? It will be made of thousands of tiny machines. China is developing drone swarms, so advanced, they don't need human control. They move together, like a single mind. One command, and hundreds of drones spread across the sky. Hunting, tracking, locking onto targets in seconds. No pilot.
No hesitation.
No warning. And here's the terrifying part. Even if you destroy one, the rest keep coming. They adapt. They communicate. They learn. This isn't just technology. It's an artificial army. A system where machines decide who gets targeted next. And once it's deployed, there's nowhere left to hide. Number 3. What if I told you the next war won't start on Earth? It'll start above it. Right now. Hundreds of satellites orbit the planet. Quiet. Invisible. But controlling everything. Your GPS. Your internet. Even military communication. Now imagine this. What if those satellites suddenly went dark? China has been developing weapons designed to target space itself. Not missiles aimed at cities, but weapons aimed at the sky. One strike, and entire systems could collapse.
No navigation.
No communication. No warning. Planes lost. Ships blind. Armies disconnected. And the scariest part? You wouldn't even see it coming, because the battlefield is completely invisible. Number 2. What if I told you, without ever being seen, missiles that can disappear, then reappear, anywhere, tracked by no satellite, detected by no radar, entire launch systems, hidden beneath the surface, ready at any moment. And here's the terrifying part. No one knows how deep this network really goes, or how many weapons are already inside it, because the real battlefield isn't always above ground. Sometimes it's right beneath your feet. Number 1. What if I told you a country could destroy another without firing a single shot?
No missiles. No explosions.
No warning. Just darkness. China has been developing cyber weapons capable of targeting entire power grids, not just hacking computers, but shutting down cities. Imagine this. One moment, everything is normal. Lights on, phones working, traffic moving. And the next, total blackout. No electricity, no internet, no communication. Hotspot offline. Airports frozen. Entire systems collapsing. And the scariest part? You wouldn't even know who did it. Because in cyber warfare, the attack is invisible. But the damage? very real. So what you've just seen isn't science fiction. It's the reality of modern warfare. A world where data is power, machines make decisions, and wars can begin without a single warning. China's military technology isn't just evolving, it's changing the rules of the game. But here's the truth. For everything we know, there's a lot we don't. And that's what makes it even more dangerous. If you found this breakdown interesting, make sure to subscribe, because we are just getting started. And trust me, the next one gets even crazier. So what you've just seen isn't science fiction. It's the reality of modern warfare. A world where data is power, machines make decisions, and wars can begin without a single warning. China's military technology isn't just evolving, it's changing the rules of the game. But here's the truth. For everything we know, there's a lot we don't. And that's what makes it even more dangerous. If you found this breakdown interesting, make sure to subscribe, because we are just getting started. And trust me, the next one gets even crazier.